The 2025 model Audi Q5 is making huge waves in the premium SUV market. But here's what you need to know about the new Q5 before you buy one. The 2025 Audi Q5 is certainly making a splash with its dramatic new design, making a bold statement before the dreaded transition to electric vehicles takes full swing. Starting with the exterior, the new Q5 greets you with its iconic single-frame grille. But this time, it's even bolder and more pronounced. Interestingly, the grille appears shorter and narrower, which is an unusual choice in an era where large, aggressive front grilles are the norm. The headlights suggest that Audi has moved away from sharp angles. Instead, they seem to have aimed for a smoother, more streamlined design, with an aggressive edge, which is similar to the one seen on the Alfa Romeo Stelvio. Along the sides, the Q5 has sleek chrome accents and dynamic lines that give the illusion of movement even when it's parked. But these lines aren't just for show. They improve the aerodynamics and therefore make the ride smoother and more efficient. While the new Q5 still keeps its sporty appearance, the roofline now has a less pronounced arc towards the rear, which reduces drag for better fuel economy. Additionally, the side view mirrors seem to have moved from the doors to the A-pillars. The vehicle comes standard with 18-inch alloy wheels with options to upgrade to larger 19 or 20-inch wheels for a more aggressive stance. The front bumper of the new Q5 also appears to have undergone a redesign with a large central intake and smaller side vents. The greenhouse on the 2025 Audi Q5 looks slightly larger, and the flush-mounted door handles add a tiny touch of modern and futuristic element. At the rear, the new Q5 wears a pair of exhaust tips on the left side of the bumper. If you squint, you might notice a resemblance to the Q4 e-tron, and you wouldn't be wrong. The new Q5 seems to take notes from its smaller sibling. The rear shoulders have sleeker, slimmer LED lights that are likely connected by a full-width light bar. Overall, they seem beefier and more aggressive, which gives the vehicle a tougher look. The massive clamshell tailgate from the previous models seems to be gone and was replaced by a new design with the license plate holder placed higher up. The rear bumper with built-in reflectors does not wear out the eye and blends with the tailgate. Now let's take a look at the engine. The new Q5 is likely going to have the same engine options as the 2024 model, which includes a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. The standard 40 TFSI variant produces 201 horsepower and 236 pound-feet of torque, while the 45 TFSI increases the power output to 261 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. At the top of the line is the 55 TFSI, a plug-in hybrid that builds on the standard 4-cylinder engine with a 17.9 kilowatt-hour battery and an electric motor, which delivers a combined 362 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. The EPA estimates about 23 miles of all-electric range for the PHEV. Now in 2025, the Audi Q5 offers a variety of engine options to match your driving style. The standard 2-liter i4 turbo engine holds a balance between power and efficiency, which makes it ideal for both daily use and long road trips. If you're looking for more power, the plug-in hybrid option delivers with a total output of 362 horsepower. This hybrid system combines the old performance of a traditional engine with the efficiency of an electric motor and offers speed and fuel economy. No matter which engine you choose, the all-wheel drive system makes sure the new Audi Q5 handles all driving conditions with ease and provides stability and control on rough or muddy roads. The suspension is designed to deliver a smooth and pleasant ride even on bumpy surfaces. It's a well-known fact that when it comes to interiors, Audi won't settle for anything less than excellent. Exactly for this reason, the new Audi Q5 is nothing less than luxurious and lives to the tradition beautifully. Inside, you'll find a spacious cabin with comfortable seating for 5, made from high-end materials that really add to the Q5's premium feel. Modern technology makes the driving experience even more pleasant, while the seats are designed for maximum comfort and offer options for leather furnishings and heating. The front seats are power adjustable and come standard with heating functionality. Speaking of heating, this vehicle is also equipped with tri-zone automatic climate control, which allows the driver and passengers to set their preferred temperature settings for optimal comfort. Physical buttons and knobs for the HVAC controls allow you to easily change the cabin temperature. The rear seats offer plenty of legroom and can recline for additional comfort on long journeys. The 2025 Audi Q5 also makes sure you have a quiet ride with its sound-insulating materials that minimize wind and road noise, which may make it a good choice for long trips. Additionally, the Q5 offers a panoramic sunroof that stretches over both rows of seats, which provides an open and airy feel to the cabin. One of the standout features of the Q5's interior is is the advanced infotainment system. At the heart of this system is a 10.1-inch touchscreen display that uses Audi's latest MMI technology. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and allows you to connect with your smartphone. Additionally, the Q5 features a digital instrument cluster known as the Audi Virtual Cockpit, which provides a customizable display of essential driving information, navigation, and entertainment options. This also includes ambient lighting options to create a relaxing atmosphere. These features make integrating your smartphone with the vehicle's infotainment system a breeze, giving you easy access to apps, navigation, and media. A heads-up display projects important driving information like speed and navigation directions directly onto the windshield, so you can keep your eyes on the road. The center console features a handy storage cubby and what appears to be a push-button gear selector. Built between the main screen and the central air vents is a Quattro badge. And what's that? Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system makes sure of optimal traction and stability in various driving conditions. This system automatically adjusts the distribution of power to each wheel and allows the driver to be confident and more in control whether they're navigating slippery roads or tackling off-road terrain. The 2025 Audi Q5 also features adaptive cruise control, which maintains a set distance from the vehicle ahead, automatically adjusting speed to match traffic flow and reducing the need for constant driver intervention. Lane departure warning is another key feature which alerts the driver if the vehicle begins to drift out of its lane without signaling. This helps to prevent unwanted lane changes. For audiophiles, the Q5 offers an optional 3D sound system that delivers exceptional audio quality. This advanced system provides a smooth listening experience for all passengers, making every journey more enjoyable. While the cargo space is spacious enough for daily usage, some may find it a bit small for long-distance trips. However, the 2025 Audi Q5 comes with a number of solutions, including a split folding rear seat that expands the cargo area as needed, which allows you to carry larger items or extra luggage for road trips. The power liftgate adds convenience and allows you to open and close the rear hatch with the press of a button, making it easy to load and unload things when your hands are full. Now, let's talk safety. In 2025, the Audi Q5 is expected to come equipped with a number of advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and parking sensors as standard. For those who want additional safety, the 2025 Audi Q5 offers optional features like a surround view camera system. This provides a 360-degree view of the vehicle's surroundings, which makes parking and low-speed maneuvers easier and safer. The 2025 Audi Q5 is packed with features that enhance both performance and convenience. Audi Drive Select allows drivers to choose between various driving modes, including comfort, auto, dynamic, and individual, tailoring the vehicle's performance to their preferences. Overall, the new 2025 Audi Q5 is embracing a much more dramatic look compared to the current, more old-school style generation. Despite the bolder design, its size remains similar. The new look is expected to remember the Q5 e-tron launched in China in 2022. But don't expect the Q5 e-tron to hit the US market. Instead, the US will get a separate electric SUV called the Q6 e-tron, which is currently in testing and set for a reveal soon, alongside a related Porsche Macan EV. A redesigned Q5 Sportback is also in the works. This coupe-like variant is expected to promise even more style for fans of the Q5 lineup. This model will feature a roofline arched more towards the rear. Buyers will have the choice between more headroom and cargo space in the standard Q5 or the sportier design of the SQ5 Sportback. At the back, the SQ5 Sportback will come equipped with a bold diffuser and Audi's signature 4-pipe exhaust system, likely to be available in all markets where the brand is sold. The bumper is also upgraded and features a pair of smaller reflectors for a more refined look. Spy photos reveal that the upcoming SQ5 will ride on large black alloy wheels that house beefy brakes, hinting at its performance capabilities. Rumors suggest it will have a retuned chassis with a stiffer suspension setup, which allows it to ride closer to the tarmac compared to the regular Q5 models. The 2025 Audi Q5 will surely be a charming one, but will it burn your pockets? You're in luck because this vehicle offers a range of options to suit different preferences and budgets. The starting price for the 2025 Audi Q5 is expected to be around $45,000 for the base model. This price includes a generous list of standard features, such as the 2-liter turbocharged engine, Quattro all-wheel drive, and the advanced infotainment system. For those looking for additional luxury and performance, higher trims and optional packages can increase the price. The plug-in hybrid variant with its enhanced power and efficiency starts at approximately $55,000, while fully loaded models with all available features and options can exceed $60,000.